Hello folks, it's me in front of the junk pit. What am I sitting on? Or what am I doing? And while I'm sitting on it, what I'm doing is I'm putting the board on this kitchen bench I've been working on for the last billion years. And what I'm gonna do is I'm bringing it to my house like this because it's too cold. I want to use it. I want it out of here. It's in my way. And what I'm gonna do is we're moving it to the house soon anyway. Probably not soon, but sooner than later. What I want to do is get it the hell out of here before I destroy it doing something. And what I'll do is I'll take the top off, I'll sand it down, and I'll record the last finishing process probably in a couple of months. Or I won't, whatever, but it just needs to be sanded. The problem is it's too cold in here to, what do you call it? Pretty much do anything with it right now. Like I could sand it, which is no big deal, but I don't think anybody wants to see me sand it because you can watch 4,000 videos with people with all kinds of fancy sanding things. So I'm going to put the last 4 bolts in, and I'm going to carry it over my Austin Mini and probably scratch the hell out of the roof on the way out. And what do you call it? Put it in my car and bring it home. That's pretty much what I'm going to do tonight. And so you can watch me put some of these bolts in, because, you know, that's exciting enough, is it? So anyway, this is the kitchen bench. Right now it's on, what do you call it? It's not on the, it's not on the, before I do this, I should probably get the right size ratchet thingamajiggy here. Will it work on this? Oh, I thought it would work. Oh, that won't work. The right size thingamabobber. Anyway, I gotta figure out where the hole goes in there. Lining this up is gonna be a real conundrum. I should chamfer this thing a little more. Which screws I decided to use? I decided to use the old-fashioned flat ones I have like this. Oop, uh-oh, don't use that. Don't lose that. Decided to use these things. So anyway, I'm gonna turn it off for a second because I'm gonna chamfer the holes a bit more, and then we'll get to it. Oh, in the previous section, I said the word chamfer. I meant countersink because I want these to countersink properly. And I'm using a carbide hand countersink thing because it works. So I'm just checking to see how the holes are. Actually, it works pretty good just for doing holes like that. Needs to go down a little. But all in all, I mean, I should probably get a drill one, but what the hell for? This works. There we go. See how good this goes down. It's still a little above the hole. This one's a little more. Drop it in a little bit more. A little bit of hand control. Never hurt. And if you're just tuning into my channel, I am by no means a good woodworker. I'm not the greatest woodworker on earth. If you're wondering why this thing's wobbling, because there's basically just a set of bolts. When I painted this thing, I just put it on a set of random bolts I found. There we go. It's nice and smoothy. Now, let's see if I can get this to go in the hole. Let's see if I can find the damn hole in here. Where is it? Where is it? It's right there. There's the hole. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Damn it. What the hell in there? Come on. You gotta figure out where the hell this thing goes. Eyeball it. There we go. Shit. You know what? I bet you the hole's too small. I bet you the hole's too small. It's lined up perfectly. Yep, sir. I scratched it. The hole's too small. Oh my God, Becky. I gotta drill this out. Hold on. Let's make the hole bigger. Yay! Hold on. Let me burn this off. Hello, folks. We drilled the hole. We used my ancient 18 volt. What do you call it? There we go. See? Ta-da! It works. Works almost. Gotta Get it lined up properly. That one's good. And we'll try to do the other one now. Ooh, I almost fell over. We gotta fix the other one. Pretty much this is the end of the road for this thing. You can see how big it is. I got junk everywhere, and I gotta put some, what do you call it in here? Let's see this. Is that good enough? Not really. A little more. I don't think that's good enough either. A little more. A little more. Hey, what the hell? Is that thing even on right? No, it's not. So, yeah. There we go. What I just figured out is, oh yeah, I thought I got these in the holes, but they're not even lined up right. So there we go. There we go. Now that should work. There's one hole. There we go. And this one should be in there somewhere. Aha. There we go. Now we'll see if the other ones line up. Alrighty. That's nice and somewhat neat. That one's a little more. I'm gonna, oh boy, what did I forgot to do? I forgot to deburr the bottom. Let me put this in there. Deburr. Oh, let's do some more. Get that in there. One of the fun things about working with metal. Come on. There we go. There we go. A little bit more here. A little bit more. There we go. Get in there. Come on. Get in the hole. There we go. That one's down perfect. This one's a little too high. This one's a little too high. There we go. Turn on this one now. These ones are nice and sunk in there, but yep, just as I thought. Crap, I gotta. Are you looking at my head? Gotta deburr the bottom. That one back in. There we go. There's little sharp spots under here that I'm trying to get blind. There we go. There we go. Ta-da! And pretty much we're done. I mean, even without the, what do you call it, lavish finish, it's pretty good the way it is. I don't know if you can see the whole thing here, but here's the front half over here, or this side, and then there's that side way over there, right over there, there and there. I think it's 5.5 feet long. And If you're wondering, why did I build a kitchen bench? Well, first of all, why the hell not, right? Second, cheapest one I seen online to buy was $750. And I was like, nope, sorry, I'm building my own. How much should I spend on this? Well, let's see. The top plate was free. The bottom metal was free. If you count the $1,000 I spent 20 years on a welder, that's $1,000. And I spent 14 bucks on feet. Mind you, I spent like 50 on some other pieces of feet, but those are another project. But little self-adjusting feet for the bottom, $14. And I even got the plastic caps that go on it, if I don't like the little metal thing. So yeah, $14. One scrap thing. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, I will be making a homemade kitchen shelf next. A little tiny one, bent out of metal, and another metal working device. I'll be actually making a metal working tool soon. And if you're still watching, I am making a, what do you call it? A stand for my shrinker stretcher. It's cold in here. I'm not vaping either. So anyway, keep watching. I got all kinds of cool stuff. I'm just going to tighten the bolts up and that's it. So, toodles. Thanks for watching.